Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to block internet access for AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, locate the AutoCAD shortcut on your desktop and right-click on it. Over here, select Open File Location to access the AutoCAD executable file. Then go to the address bar in File Explorer and copy the file path. After that, make sure you copy the correct AutoCAD file location. Over here, open Windows Firewall Settings and go to Advanced Settings. Then, this gives access to additional firewall controls. After that, click on Inbound Rules and create a new rule. Then, select Program as the rule type. Over here, paste the AutoCAD program path into the provided field. After that, make sure the AutoCAD executable file is selected correctly. Then choose Block the Connection from the available options. Over here, this prevents AutoCAD from accessing the internet. After that, check both inbound and outbound rules to make sure everything is set correctly. Then, AutoCAD will now remain blocked from internet access. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.